of course I'm at my dumpster. On the way back, I just pulled into the dumpster, and let's see if there's any bubble wrap. I don't know what that is in there. What do you think? You should probably leave me a comment. What do you think it is? And my phone is only on 8%. It looks like they emptied the garbage because there was a big old stick sticking out. And my phone died. And I couldn't show anything. But I only spent $6. That's pretty lame. But I got 4 items that are like $25 each. So at least $100. So let's go. Let's go see what's going on. Literally like 5 minutes, not even that. Maybe 3 minutes of video to end our day, I guess. Completely empty. Okay, let's see. Can't really see anything because I don't have the flash on. Let's see if I get any bubble wrap. I got a piece. That's not good, guys. This is not good. I better not be running out of my bubble wrap in here. I'm gonna move stuff around and see if I can get into some bubble, because this is not good. All right, check this out. So I found this thing. I think it's from some kind of a car. I don't think I'm gonna get it. It's here for a reason, right? But I found a little bit of bubble wrap. Whoa. We're not getting in all the way, but okay, let's see. Okay, so should have put my gloves on. Let's see what else is in here. Probably pizza. Feels like a pizza box. You think they had a party? Let's see. Uh-oh, that's not good. There you go. My knife. Let's see if they had a pizza party. Okay, let's see. Darn it, I should be invited. I go through so much garbage in here. I deal with their garbage and I'm not even invited for pizza. That's not nice, everybody. And there's some cheese. There's some cheese left. What else we got? More bubble wrap. But of course, more bubble wrap shows up. Okay, I'm gonna have to have a serious talk with them. Like, start putting me some bubble wrap. Oh, that's like not good. Let's see. Nah. Okay, let's see if they have any good cardboard boxes. I like those. You can't see it, but I like them. This thing's full. I really like these boxes right here. No, these are not the boxes. Let's close this so I don't piss him off. I mean, this is all I got. This is nothing, but it's better than like nothing. I mean, I can wrap probably like 5-6 items with this. That's all I got. Let's go get more. Let's go get more crates.
let's go. Little journey today. I gotta charge my phone and get some more crates.
Usually pizza party is good news. Seriously, that means everybody's getting a promotion, they're getting more jobs. That means I'm gonna have more bubble wrap. That's what exactly that means. I actually used to work for that place, and when they gather everybody up, it's either promotion or it can be a really horrible news. Or when they gather everybody up, they could be like giving those pink slips and you're off onto the unemployment. So it's one or the other. Time will tell. So we're gonna see, if you see a bunch of piles of bubble wrap in there, that means good news. We're in a business. So check this out. Look where I'm at. Look at all those crates. So I'm gonna get all those crates. It's gonna dark. I might have to take the camera with me. And I'm gonna load them up in a truck. And that's how you get free crates. Look at that. Beautiful stackable crates for free. Look at that. They got some food in there if you want some, if you have rabbits. You got some moldy bananas. But this is good news right here. This is good news. So I'm gonna take all this stuff and put it in a truck. It's a score right here. Look at that. Never ends. Yeah, it does end. Let's see what we got in here. Check this out. Truck is loaded. Actually, like, one of the bosses came out and he's like, hey, yeah, take them all. Yeah, so this is awesome. Check this out. Full truck of these crates. I got some in the front, but let's see what's behind this dumpster, this gangster dumpster. We got some free wheels if you want some Christmas stuff, ornaments. Look at that, someone's trying to get some firewood. This would be perfect firewood. There's a lot of these crates. I know people reuse them for stuff, but let's see what else we got. That's a big pile. Let's see what's inside of there. Oh, that's just paper. Look at that. This is all free. If you want it, let me know. Should probably take that wood. Let's see what else they got in here. I mean, I put a little damage in here, just a little bit. Feels good. Look at these containers. I mean, I don't want to be going too far. It's dark. You don't know what's lurking in there. But look at this. Free. I'm getting free supplies, free containers, free bubble wrap, free boxes. Free is good when nobody's paying for it. Like, if I'm not paying for your free, this is good. You know what I'm saying? You probably know what I'm saying. But if I'm paying for your free, like, if my taxes are paying for something they use for free, that's not good. Anyways, but who am I? I'm just here, little guy trying to make some of that money. There's plenty out there. Go get it. Don't step on my toes. Go get that money, but not in my neighborhood. That's right. So I'm assuming that's all I got. And thanks for watching this video. It might be a little long, but if you liked it, let me know in the comments. If it was too long, too short, should I just get to the point? How should I edit? If you have any questions, ask, share, subscribe, like, hit that bell in there so you'll be notified. I'm trying to post, well, I am posting once a day, so for this month, and we'll see how it is, if it's gonna pick up. Let's see if this eBay worth it. I mean YouTube, because eBay is already worth it. I made over $550 so far today, which feels great. Trust me, feels great. Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye.